Prospectli AI is one of the newest players in the AI software space. And if you're thinking about diving in, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before making a decision. Whether you're new to AI or just looking for the best tools for your business, this review is packed with insights that could save you time, money, and frustration. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what Prospectli AI can do for you. And I'll also show you where you can try it completely for free. First up, Prospectli AI is designed to help businesses streamline their lead generation and sales processes. It's not just another CRM tool, it's an AI-powered platform that uses advanced algorithms to automate repetitive tasks, find leads, and even personalize outreach. If you're tired of manually sifting through hundreds of leads or spending hours writing emails, this software can be a game changer. Prospectli's AI takes care of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on the parts of your business that need human attention. It's worth mentioning that they offer a free trial, so you can test it out with no risk. The first link below will get you started. What really sets Prospectli apart from the competition is its ease of use. The platform is designed with simplicity in mind, meaning you don't need to be an AI expert to get started. The user interface is clean and intuitive, so even those new to digital marketing or AI can quickly understand how to set up their workflows. Whether you're managing leads, crafting email campaigns, or tracking your sales pipeline, everything is streamlined and organized. Now, let's talk about automation. If you've used other AI tools before, you know that automation can be a double-edged sword, too complex or rigid, and it doesn't add value. But Prospectli's automation tools are different. It doesn't just automate repetitive tasks, it personalizes the customer experience. The AI learns from past interactions and tailors outreach efforts, making your communication feel more genuine and less robotic. This level of personalization can lead to higher engagement and better conversion rates. Another feature I love about Prospectli is its integration capabilities. It connects seamlessly with other tools you probably already use, whether it's your email provider, CRM system, or project management software. That means you won't have to overhaul your entire workflow to make this work for you. It slots right into your existing tech stack and gets to work without any major disruptions. In terms of scalability, Prospectli AI is built for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a solopreneur looking to streamline your processes or a growing team needing an efficient way to manage hundreds of leads, Prospectli adapts to your needs. It's flexible enough to grow with you, meaning you won't outgrow it as your business expands. Let's not forget about customer support. When using any new software, especially an AI tool, the last thing you want is to be left in the dark if something goes wrong. Luckily, Prospectli has a solid support system in place with responsive customer service that's ready to help whenever you run into an issue. Lastly, if you're someone who's already tried out a bunch of AI software, you know how important it is to have a tool that's not only powerful but also reliable. Prospectli AI has been designed with speed and stability in mind, so you won't be dealing with crashes or long loading times. So, to sum it up, Prospectli AI offers a powerful yet easy-to-use solution for automating your lead generation and sales processes. Whether you're new to AI or just looking for a tool to take your business to the next level, this software could be the perfect fit. Don't forget to check out the free trial through the link in the description to see if it's the right fit for your business. And if you're looking for more AI software recommendations, I've included a list of my top picks in the description based on my experience with thousands of tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.